Hi everyone, so I'm back with another video, and today I'll be going through on how you can set up an actual AI receptionist for your business. So without further ado, I'll start. So basically, in today's video, we are going through on how you can set up this receptionist in any kind of business, whatever business that you're in currently, in whatever niches. This kind of AI receptionist can help to facilitate and help to handle your meetings, your bookings, your reservations, or any kind of phone calls that you're currently receiving. This particular AI receptionist can help you to pick up the phone on behalf of yourself or on behalf of your staff. It can help to easily save a lot of your staff time so that you can focus on much more important or urgent tasks that requires more important attention. So here in this video, I'll be describing on how you can set up this receptionist in just 5 simple steps. So just 5 steps, and you don't need any technical skills required. So I'll just go through. So what this AI receptionist can do for a business. Firstly, this AI receptionist can help to transform your business and handle all the incoming calls, which is basically inbound, or it can help to do outbound calls as well, which is let's say cold calling. It can help to cold call whatever leads that let's say you want to reactivate the leads in your business. You can use this receptionist to do outbound calls for you as well. So and the thing about this AI receptionist is that it works 24/7. It does not need any intervention from humans, and you can work round the clock and not have any rest at all. So that's the beauty of an AI receptionist, able to work round the clock, even working when you sleep. So if let's say customers or anyone were to call you at like 3 a.m. in the morning, this receptionist can be able to pick up the call. Let's say if you're working in a business whereby there are calls coming in the middle of the night or early in the morning when your staff are busy handling other tasks. This AI receptionist can help to pick up the calls on behalf of the staff and be able to qualify them based on whatever criteria that you set up the receptionist to do. So what kind of things that the AI receptionist can do? Firstly, it can answer every call. So it's an instant pickup. It's not like you wait 5 to 10 seconds before you pick up the phone like what a staff usually do. Let's say a staff, they might be doing other things, so whenever a call comes in, they take a while to answer the call, so there's a delay in it. With an AI receptionist, you can pick up the call instantly. And you also can handle FAQs, handle frequently asked questions from the clients, whatever prospects that you have, can answer frequently asked questions based on whatever knowledge base that you give to the receptionist. More importantly, it can book appointments for you, so schedule appointments directly into your calendar. I can even go to the extent of maybe sending a calendar invite to your prospects, to your leads, as well as sending an email to you, or maybe sending the appointment back to anyone in the group, anyone of your staff that's doing the booking itself. So it helps to facilitate, and then it helps to save a lot of admin time, which is what a usual receptionist would do in their business as well. What it can also do, it can help to capture leads as well. So when let's say the customer were to call the AI receptionist, it can capture the personal details of the lead itself. So things like name, things like phone number, email address. You can capture the leads details so that you can further contact and follow up with the leads, if any. And next one is they can work 24/7 round the clock, as what I said. Day and night, needs no rest at all. So you can start off with the first step. So how do you choose your AI tool? So you can start your AI receptionist journey by searching for a platform. So basically there are multiple different platforms that you can use. As long as you just search the word voice AI platform, you can be able to see like there are actually multiple different platforms that can actually create voice agents from. But basically what kind of voice agent you want to create, it really narrow down to a few pointers. It needs to have a natural voice, sounds more human-like as well as professional sound, as well as easy scripting. Because if let's say you have no technical and background, technical expertise, you want something that is easy to create and easy to use, as well as easy to implement to your business as well. And lastly, with phone integration, how easy it is to integrate your phone number. Let's say your phone number that you usually get calls from, or you usually use the phone number to call out to people. This is how easy it is to integrate this phone number to the AI voice agent itself. So some platforms include Blunt AI as well as Lappy. So next one is step 2. The second step is to write a simple script. So you have to craft an effective script first using a 4-part formula that I have created. So firstly is you have a greeting. So in this greeting you give a warm and professional welcome to the prospect itself. And then next one you ask certain qualifying questions. Let's say what they are here for, what do they wish to do, maybe they are, let's say you want to do appointment bookings, you will need the contact details as well, personal details such as name and email address. Next one will be to help provide info. Let's say if they ask for FAQ questions, you can provide information to facilitate their understanding of your own business as well as book appointments and route calls. So route calls meaning to say, let's say you have clients who have emergency or urgent issues and require human intervention. This AI receptionist would transfer the call over to an actual human so they can pick up the call and facilitate better. And lastly will be to wrap up. So after finishing the script, you have to wrap up in a warm and professional way. So next one, step 3 will be to connect your phone number. As what I said, connecting your phone number would be one of the most important things that you want the agent to do. Because if let's say you have this voice agent, if it has no phone number, it cannot do anything. So you want it to have a phone number that you are actually using, that is tied to all your leads, so that whenever leads call your phone number, it's actually an AI receptionist that pick up the phone and it's not any other phone number. So simply forward this business line to the number provided by your AI tool. So you can have this business name, business number. This business number will be the number that your customers already know and already trust this number, because it's a valid number and it's used by you yourself to reach out to all the prospects or the prospects that reach out to you. And next one will be that AI receptionist will be able to answer through this particular phone number as well. Then next one will be the routing. So let's say if the customer wish to route the number, like let's say the customer have certain queries that cannot be addressed by the AI receptionist, then you will route the call to you, to a human, so they can answer all these emergency or important questions that only you yourself or the human only will know. So this setup ensures that the AI can handle the routing calls while you remain available for human interaction, or being able to be busy with the task they are currently doing and not being able to get worried about, oh, I have a call coming but then I'm doing certain tasks. So there's a lot of multitasking that's required. Let's say you don't have an AI receptionist as well to handle the phone, or an actual receptionist to pick up the phone for you. So next one will be test your agent. So before going live, you need to ensure that you have rigorous testing of your own agent. So you need to have thorough testing to ensure that your receptionist deliver the professional expertise as well as the experience that the customer deserves. So basically having a good customer experience. Let's say you were to ask AI receptionist of certain questions, you need to give out a certain kind of answer for you. You cannot be hallucinating or going haywire. So you need to make several test scores at different times to evaluate the performance and ensure that the AI responds to how it's supposed to respond. Let's say we were to ask the operating hours, or let's say the address of the company, of a business. Does it give you back your actual address, or give you some random address? So that's why you need to keep on testing the agent to make sure that every time it outputs the answer is always the answer that you yourself or the actual receptionist will actually answer the same as well. So you need to check the tone, ensure that the voice sounds friendly, professional, and matches your brand personality as well. Next one will be to verify the accuracy. So confirm the AI provides correct information about your business hours and services. And so make sure that your test call flow, make sure that the transition between questions feel natural and the conversation progresses logically. So this is the last step, which is to automate your key tasks. So the real power of AI Receptionist comes from connecting to your existing business systems or whatever. Let's say if you're working in a clinic, you will be to connect to your medical records, or let's say if you're working in any other niches that require scheduling, you can connect to whatever scheduling tools that you use, be it Slack, be it WhatsApp, or any kind of scheduling tools that you use. You can connect it promptly to whatever tools that you use. So this integration will ensure that your AI can do the best of its ability and answer the service to the best of its capability. So firstly, there are some different use cases of how an AI receptionist could work. Firstly, will be appointment bookings. So you can connect it to your calendar. Let's say connect to your Google Sheets, or no, not Google Sheets, but more of Google Calendar. So with Google Sheets, let's say you are doing a mock-up data, but Google Calendar will also be, let's say most of the bookings come from Google Calendar, or let's say cow.com or Calendly. We connect to this calendar system, and so that the customer can schedule meetings directly through the call with instant confirmation. And this feature will be automated instantly by the AI as well. Next one will be FAQ database. So you can link your AI to the knowledge base of your own company, so that when, let's say, prospects were to ask about your business, FAQ questions, ask about your business, oh, what is your operating hours, where are you located, you can give up-to-date information and relevant information, so that your receptionist don't have to keep on repeating the same task over and over again. So keep saying your address 1000 times to different prospects itself. So you have to save time as well, basically. And next one will be the lead capture system, where it will automatically save your caller information to your CRM and ensure that no customer fall through the cracks. So this is just a summary of what I've spoken so far in 5 different steps. So first step, reiterating, the first step will be to pick your tool. Firstly, you have to pick a tool that is beginner friendly. Firstly, you need to be beginner friendly, so you can choose an AI platform with natural voices, easy scripting. So some of the examples include Vepi, include Retail, include Blunt. And then the next one will be writing your script. So you need to create a conversational flow, greetings, questions, help, and wrap up. So create your full script so that the agent can follow from the start to the end and does not hallucinate or go haywire at all. So this is very important, because creating a script will ensure that your AI will follow from the start to the end and does not go to other parts of the journey and make the prospects feel confused as well. So next one will be connecting a phone number as well. And next one will be testing an agent. So testing an agent is important, because if you do not test the agent and let the agent to go live without testing, some information may be lost away, or the agent may not perform as it should because you did not rigorous test it. So the agent may not be performing to the best of his ability, and some of the information that the receptionist is supposed to say, some questions that the receptionist is supposed to say is not saying, which could result in the agent not working as it should be. And then lastly will be to automate the task. So automating the task meaning to link your connector apps. So linking your calendar, your FAQ database, or let's say you're doing lead generation, your lead capture system. So I'll end off with this slide. This slide will shows that 24/7 AI receptionist is ready to transform your business in terms of handling call, in terms of handling inbound calls where customer call to you, or outbound call where you call to the prospects itself, to call to the leads, let's say for reactivation campaigns. So every incoming call becomes an opportunity, and this means that there's no more missed connections, no more after hours silence. So if you want to learn more about advanced features such as custom voice cloning, multi-language support such as able to speak in different languages, advanced routing rules, or sophisticated automation workflows, let's say using workflows like AI automation workflows such as AnyN or Make.com, do drop down in the comments and I'll create another video where I can link both an AI voice agent tool with an automation workflow tool together to see how it can sync seamlessly to all your record system or let's say a calendar booking system for you. Let me know in the comments and I'll create a video for you. That's all I have. Thank you. And hope to see you in another video, and I hope that you have gained something out of this video, be it whatever small it might be. I hope you have gained something valuable throughout this video. This is basically just a short summary of how you can create an AI receptionist in just 5 simple steps. A whole breakdown of from the start to the end on how you can create a 24/7 AI receptionist that works for your business 24/7. Being able to take out bookings, being able to take out any calls, handle FAQs for business. So this is something that is very prevalent in this space and is very relevant in whatever niches that you are having. So if you wish to know more about how you can build this receptionist in a further and more detailed breakdown, do let me know in the comments and I'll create another video on it. That's all I have. Thank you and see you next video. Thanks.